Question number 8. Adding flow to Lightning page. Account owners at Future Image Ltd thinks that the contact role assignment for high volume opportunities has too many steps involved. They would like to simplify the process by having a new section on the account page which was displaying list of high volume opportunities and enable an option to assign contact roles. So you have decided as an admin to develop a flow. Which two things should you do to display the same on the account page? So you got four options. You have to choose two. You can create a record triggered flow after save record triggered flow and use flow component and add the flow to the lightning page, or you can create a screen flow and then add the screen flow to the lightning page. So to demonstrate this, so what I have done is I've just created a screen flow because the expectation is to help users to show the list of high volume opportunities, isn't it? So to show list of high volume opportunities and right on the account page, right? So what I've done is I've just created a flow, as you can just see right here. So the type of flow that was created, right, is the screen flow. Why? Because we wanted to show this on the screen, something like this. On the account page, I have the list of high volume opportunities. Even though there are multiple opportunities tagged to this account, these two are high volume opportunities, and I can just choose the opportunities and then try to assign the contact role. I can do that. So this is the expected one, right? How did I do this? Number one, I created a screen flow because option A, which is record trigger flow, cannot help here because record trigger flow happens or runs behind the behind the scenes, as in it runs in the background. It happens or it gets triggered when you click on save. When you edit the record, when you click on save, or when you create a new record, right? When you want something to run, an automation to happen behind the scenes in the background, then we will go with this record triggered flow. And since record triggered flow is not the right option, option B is also incorrect because I cannot add a record triggered flow, in a lightning page. So it has to be option C and D. So let me go back to the demonstration. So this is right. The first thing is we have to create a screen flow. Of course, there are a lot of steps involved. Let me not go detail into it. So what we need is a screen flow. Number two, how do we add that screen flow back to the page, right? So which is fairly simple. You can go to the setup when you are right on the account page, account record page. You can go to edit page and let this load. And let me just remove the one that was previously added. Yeah. So what we can do is on the standard components, we can just search for flow. You can find flow component right here. You can just drag and then drop the flow component anywhere on the page. Yeah, and you get a chance to map the screen flows. On the right, you will just see the list of flows, list of flows of type screen. So all the screen flows, active screen flows are listed right here. And the one that we are going to use is this screen flow opportunity context role assignment. So it has one input parameter. I'll just enable that as well. So let's click on save. So this is how you can able to add the flow back to the page. I will just do this one. I just bring this right here. Let's save and let's go back to the page. And now you can see this, right? So you can just see the list of high volume opportunities. The same thing, it's going to happen. I can just choose the number, the opportunities, and then I can just assign contact role in one go. So this has simplified the way how the account owners, right, can add a contact role to multiple opportunities in one go right from the account page. So the answer to this question is option C and